Write a program to accept a word, check, and display whether the word is a palindrome or only a special word or none of them. Let us know what is palindrome, what is special word. This is, you see, special words. What is special word? Special words are those words which start and end with the same letter. For example, existence. Here first letter is E and last letter is E. So this is a special word. Comic. Here C, first letter is C and last letter is C. So this is a special word. Window is a special word. What is palindrome word? For palindrome word, if words which read the same from left to right and from right to left. This is madam, this is from left to right madam and from right to left also madam. So this is a palindrome. Let us start the program. This is, you see, this is import statement, this is class statement, this is main statement, this is scanner statement. Enter a word. The word is S. You have to convert whole word into uppercase or lowercase in one case. Okay. If you have entered first letter is capital and other letters are small, then you have to convert entire word to either uppercase or lowercase. Then string. This is string. String reb equal to space. We have taken a string which value is null. Now this is length of the string. If s dot caret 0 equal to s dot caret l minus 1 means your first letter and last letter are equal. This is last letter l minus 1 means last letter. This l means length. Length minus 1 means last letter. And this is caret 0 means first letter. First letter and last letter equal. If both first letter and last letter equal, then this is your special word. So, if this is special word, then you have to check this is your palindrome or not. Right? So, in if block, you have to check this is your palindrome or not. Now, it is clear that this is a special word. Now, for palindrome, you have to check this is you have to take for loop I equal to 0, I less than L, I plus plus reverse word. For reverse word, you have to store the character in reverse wise. Reverse wise means you see this is reb equal to s dot caret I plus reb. S dot caret I plus reb means इसी if in अगर यहाँ पे एस में अगर यहाँ पे साई दिया है एक वर्ड उस तो यहाँ पे क्या करोगे तुम आर ई भी इक्वल टू एस डॉट कैरेट आई प्लस आर ई भी इसका मतलब क्या होगा आर ई भी में क्या आ जाएगा एस डॉट कैरेट आई मीन्स कैरेट जीरो फर्स्ट टाइम एस डॉट कैरेट जीरो में क्या है एस एस प्लस स्पेस आ जाएगा फिर सेकंड राउंड में आई का वैल्यू क्या है 1 है तो यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा एच डॉट कैरेट 1 एच डॉट कैरेट 1 में क्या है यहाँ पे ए है तो यहाँ पे ए रहेगा ए प्लस आर ई भी हो जाएगा तो ए प्लस आर ई भी में क्या है एच प्लस स्पेस है ए प्लस एस प्लस स्पेस है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा तुम्हारा ए प्लस एस प्लस स्पेस मीन्स यहाँ पे ए एस और यहाँ पे एक स्पेस रह जाएगा ठीक है यहाँ पे प्लस का मतलब क्या हो ये अपेंड करेगा एक एक कैरेक्टर को यहाँ पे अपेंड कर लेगा तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा ए एस स्पेस आ जाएगा फिर यहाँ पे कैरेट आई की 0 हो गया था अब 1 हो गया था अब क्या आ जाएगा 2 आ जाएगा एच डॉट कैरेट 2 में क्या है 0 1 2 2 में आई है तो यहाँ पे एच डॉट कैरेट आई में आई रहेगा प्लस फिर से आरईबी में क्या है ये ए एस है तो आई ए एस हो जाएगा आई प्लस ए एस दैट इज आई ए एस आ जाएगा तो ये रिवर्स वर्ड आ जाएगा now in reverse here is this is the reverse word is stored in the variable that is reb. Now reb equal to reb dot trim. Why reb equal to reb dot trim? Because at the last you have stored a space. In reverse there is a space at the last, so you have to trim this one. Trim, it will remove the space. Okay. Now if s dot equals reb means अगर s और reb दोनों अगर सेम है, ये रिवर्स वर्ड और ये s ओरिजिनल वर्ड अगर सेम है तो क्या हो जाएगा, पैलिंड्रोम प्रिंट होगा. एल्स अगर नहीं सेम नहीं हुआ है तो क्या प्रिंट होगा, ओनली स्पेशल नंबर स्पेशल वर्ड प्रिंट होगा. ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्पेशल हो गया है, यहाँ पे जो कंडीशन ट्रू है इसलिए ये स्पेशल हो गया है. तो अगर ये दोनों वर्ड इक्वल है तो पैलिंड्रोम होगा, अगर दोनों वर्ड इक्वल नहीं है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, ओनली स्पेशल हो जाएगा. ठीक है. नाउ दिस इफ का कर्ली ब्रैकेट यहाँ पे है और यहाँ पे एंड हुआ है, ये ब्लॉक यहाँ पे शुरू हुआ है, यहाँ पे खत्म हुआ है. तो अगर ये कंडीशन ट्रू है तो ये सारे होगा, ये पैलिंड्रोम है या नहीं चेक करेगा. अगर दिस कंडीशन ट्रू नहीं है इसका मतलब ये स्पेशल वर्ड नहीं है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, अगर ये ट्रू नहीं है, दिस कंडीशन ट्रू नहीं है तो क्या प्रिंट करेगा, नेदर स्पेशल नॉर पैलिंड्रोम वर्ड. दिस इज वर्ड. Okay, now compile. No syntax error. Now run the program. Click here. Main. Okay. Enter the word. Let's take a special word that is exercise. Special. Let's take another word that is palindrome. Let's take madam. Madam palindrome. Let us take another word which is neither special nor prime. That is let special. Enter neither special nor palindrome word. This is special is neither special nor palindrome word. Madam is palindrome, exercise is special word. Okay. This is the another method to check this the word is palindrome or not. This is same. If this condition that is first character and last character same, then this is a special word. If this is a special word, we have to check this is a palindrome or not. Because every special word is not a palindrome, but every palindrome word is a special. Here this is rotatory is a palindrome, first letter, last letter same, so this is a special. If this is not special, this condition false means this is not special, then it will not be a palindrome. So if condition this is condition true, then we check the palindrome. If this condition false, we write here else part neither special nor palindrome. If this condition false, come to this line, this is your neither special nor palindrome. If this condition false, this is the statement to check the palindrome. If this condition is true, take a variable k as true. Now this is for palindrome. We have taken here first letter and last letter same. Now take from second letter, from first second letter and from last second letter are same or not. Then from first third letter and from last third letter up to middle letter. You see this is rotator, it will check from first that is R, R, then O, O, then T, T, then A. This is middle character. From first this is first, second, third, fourth character, and this is from last fourth character. It will check up to middle character both are same or not. If both are not same, then K will be false and there will be a break. Break means it will come out from the if this if condition. This is it will break. It will come out from the loop. This loop. Okay. Now this is if K. If K means if K is true. If K is true, this is special only. If K is here, if both characters are not same, K will false. If both characters are same, K will be true. Okay. So if K is true means this is palindrome and special. So if K means if K is true, this is palindrome. If K is not true means if K is false means this is not palindrome. So if K palindrome, else only special, not palindrome. This is only special, not palindrome. If K is false, only special. Okay. If this condition is false, it is neither special nor palindrome. This is the second method. This is the first method.